Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 7.9, and in this question it is given to you a car weighs 1800 kilogram. The distance between front and back axle is given to you 1.8 meter. Clear? So now concentrate. Let's suppose I am drawing here, this is a car. Clear? Let's suppose this is car. Let's suppose this is car. Clear? And it is given here we have a front axle as well as here we have a back axle. Clear? So a car weighs 1800 kilogram. So we can see mass of this car, it is given to you 18 kilogram. Fine. Sorry, this is 1800 kilogram. 1800 kilogram. This one is given to you. Distance between its front axle and the back axle is 1.8 meter. So I can say here, let's suppose this is 1.8 meter. Clear? Center of gravity is 1.05 meter behind front axle. So let's suppose I am taking center of gravity at this point. Let's suppose this is center of gravity. Clear? This is a point G, and it is given in a question that this lies 1.05 meter behind front axle. Clear? We can say this is front axle, this is back axle. Okay. So determine force exerted by level ground on each front wheel and back wheel. Clear? So now first let us try to understand what are different forces acting on this car. Clear? So we can say definitely one force, this is acting here, this is mg. Clear? I can say here, let's suppose this is reaction force exerted on a front wheel, and we can say this one is back wheel. Clear? So now first I am writing here NF plus NB, this should be equal to mg. Clear? Mass of a car, this is given to you 1800, so NF plus NB, this one is equal to 1800 and multiplied with 10. Clear? So now we can write NF plus NB, this should be equal to 18,000. Clear? So let's suppose this is equation number 1. Now we can say if we apply here net torque about its center of gravity. So how can we write? We can say here this NB will try to rotate this car in a clockwise direction. This NF will try to rotate in anti-clockwise direction. It means I can write like this, NB multiply. Now what is this distance? What is this distance? I can say this is 1.8 minus 1.05. This one is equal to NF. Clear? Normal reaction, or we can say NF. This is multiply 1.05. Clear? So now we can say actually here we have two equation and we have number of variables that is also equal to 2. Clear? So we can easily solve it. So now I can write like this, NB, this is 0.75 equal to NF, this is 105 by 100. Clear? So we can see, we can write like this, this is 75 equal to NF, this is 105. Clear? So from here we can see value of NB, this is given by 105 by 75 and NF, or we can see 105, if you cancel with 5, I can say this is 15 and we can say this is 21 and we can say this is equal to NF. Clear? So now we are getting NB, this is equal to 21 by 15 NF. Clear? So let's suppose this is equation number 2 I am giving. Clear? Now we can put this value of NB in equation number 1. So how can I write? Listen carefully. Yes. Now, so I can say if I put value NB, I can say this is NF plus 21 by 15 and this is NF, and this should be equal to 18,000. Clear? So now if you take here LCM, this is 15. Clear? So we can say we are getting here 36 by 15 NF, and this one is equal to 18,000. Clear? So we can say if we cut here, this is 5 times, this is 500. So value of NF we are getting here. It means total reaction on a front wheels. Clear? Total reaction force on a front wheel we are getting, this is 7500 Newton. Clear? So can we calculate here value of NB? Yes, definitely. So how can we calculate? We can put here value of NF in equation number 2. Clear? So we can see value of NB, this is given by 21 by 15. So 21 by 15 and multiplied with NF. NF is given 7500. Clear? From here we can say this is again this one, and this is 10500 Newton. Clear everyone? So we are getting reaction force on a back wheel, this is given 10,500 Newton. Clear? But what is our objective in this question? Our objective in this question is to calculate force exerted by level ground on each front wheel and each back wheel. Clear? So now we can say, actually you know very well, in our car we have 2 front wheels and 2 back wheels. Clear? So if I directly write here NF on each wheel. Clear? It means normal reaction force on a front wheel and on each wheel. I can say this is 7500 divided by 2. It will be equally distributed, and we can say 3750 Newton. Clear everyone? Same we can calculate value of NB. So value of NB, this is given by 500 divided by 2, and we can say this is 5250 Newton. Clear? So we can say this is normal reaction exerted by ground on each wheel. Clear? So like this we can calculate or we can solve this question. Clear?